out, they don't need to count. So since you are here, if you have any question, why don't you use the time today to answer all the questions you want for your second exam. This time is 25% of your semester grade. You are supposed to know 75% of your semester grade. And you know how do you get credit from this class. After the lecture, you are welcome to stop by. Tell me what you get confused. What's the possibility to get the passing grade from this class? After the Thursday exam, I cannot very active anymore, okay? So then basically is you have any grading issues, let me know, okay? Then basically what we are going to do is Thursday, we have second exam. By the next Monday or Tuesday, you are going to see your grade on Moodle first. Then Tuesday, Wednesday, I will post on the Lido name. Then if you have a question, why don't you get the solution today? Do not make yourself confused, okay? Then everything is set up on the Moodle. Is 100% you are able to see. There's no hidden grade. Then only 25% still remaining unknown, okay? Then what we do in this class, let's clear out. You understand what is that, okay? Now, syllabus here. Our program assignment, we have 5 program assignments, no homework. Last one you have. Each one is 6% of your semester grade, okay? Then what I did is, doesn't matter who is your members, who is the team leader, you share the same grade. One submission, one grade. That's about your program assignment, 30% of your semester grade, your project. Your project separate into, number one is your language study is 5%. Then your prototype, another 5%. Your final project, 10%. Your technical report, 5%. That's why we added up is 25% on your semester grade. Is it clear? You can see your grade on your Moodle, am I right? Okay. Then this is about our project. Test 1 is 20%. So in other words, you are supposed to know 75% of your semester grade. Okay? Then only the Thursday we see remaining the second exam unknown. That's it. Any questions? All right. Now, since you are here, do we have any question regarding to your exam? Yes, go ahead.
So, pass by reference and pass by value results.
Okay.
I know that they're different, but they still have like the same outcome in the example that you had given us. Is there ever a circumstance where they're not the same outcome?
All right. Your question is here, right?
Yes, sir.
So you are pass by value, pass by reference, pass by value result.
Yes, sir.
Now your question is, if we are going to, you can see here, pass by reference, you're going to have the same result as here. Yes? Then you have 2 array here. They are exactly the same, right? Now, let me answer you in this way. Actually, you have the same result, but different behavior.
Right.
The pass by reference is, I tell you, you are able to update. You update here. Then when I come back, I see the updating. But pass by value result is, I give it to you, they give it to me back. Actually, you already modified, then I receive the result coming back. Then you can see the result is exactly the same. Doesn't matter which one. Then your question is there any other case is going to be different? No. But behavior is different.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any others? Is it enough?
For that, yeah.
Any others? No questions? No questions? I'm going to close out. I'm sure I'm going to close out. Yes.
For the precedence questions.
Second,
The precedence questions?
precedence.
It's in chapter 7.
Can you point to me the question?
It's number 9, yeah, right.
Here. Yes?
Could you
All right.
just, I'm just curious.
You want me to explain what is going on? Or?
Could you just work, like,
Okay.
C, do number C.
C. Fine. Now we say C is A minus divide C and D times E equals to small. Wow. Okay. C D times E. D times E divide A minus. This result should be okay. Let me copy it out first. Okay. 1, 2, 3. A B 1 divide C 5 and 1, 2, 3 D times E 2 divide A 3 divide 3 4 and 6. Okay. Here is the answer. Okay. Now we double check it. What's happening? First of all, this is our resource. Now, according to the rule, yeah, still working. Now, which one we should do first? You can see the parentheses itself, right? Parentheses and also the parentheses. Which parentheses should go first? The left. Therefore, I have A and minus B. Check here. It's 1. Is okay? Check is acceptable. All right. Now, after we finish this part, then which part we should do the next? Then we are going inside here. Yes? We want to do the parentheses inside, correct? But we should still, when we go into the parentheses, we still need to check which one is the higher precedence. Now, which one will be the higher precedence? According to the rule, you can see the multiple here, divide in the first set, right? Then you can see minus will be the next. Then we want to do the multiple and divide first. Although it's a multiple and divide, we still need to go by the rule, left-hand side first, right? So that's why we have D times E here. We okay? Now, after we finish here, then obviously we need to do the divide now. According to the rule, the divide will be the third. So that's why we have parentheses. We want, I mean, it's 1, right?
You just
Yeah,
put parentheses.
3. That's why we have 3 and A we want to do here. Are we okay? Now, after we finish, then we want to do, we complete the parentheses. We need number 4 here. That's why we finish here now. After we are here, then we do the parentheses and parentheses here. Then we need to follow by the divide and end. Yes? Which one we should do first? Divide will be the highest one, N will be the second. Am I right? That's why we will do the divide. When we want to do the divide, we should do this part with here. So that's why we have 5 here. Right? Where's the C? My bad. C. That's why we want to do this part. Yes? After we finish here, then we will do the M part. That's overall, number 6 here. 5 and 6. Is it okay? Not complicated, right?
So
So first of all,
you do parentheses first,
yes,
always.
look, Jake, there's no parentheses. The parentheses itself is exception. Okay? So parentheses is not in any rule at all. But that's why you want to do the parentheses and then parentheses. Then after you finish these parentheses, then you want to do these parentheses. When you go inside, you want to do these parentheses, you want to follow the same rule, right? So that's why we go into the multiple, then divide, then subtract. Then we complete the operation. Check? Is it okay? Any others? Yes?
Can I write it on the board?
Yeah, sure.
So it's the.
Is it the same question you are talking about?
No,
Okay, go ahead.
it's between C and Java. So,
C and Java.
yeah. So C. So if you have like.
Too complicated, man.
What?
Sure. Let me tell you why, okay? Because we want to have a functional side effect. But doesn't mean we need a very, very complicated stuff, okay? At least we want to change things. That's why it's too complicated. You
No.
understand?
I think it's simple.
You say it's simple?
Yeah.
Well, how about that? We want to have a simple result, okay? More simple, okay?
So you said in Java, we always go from left to the right, and functions don't have precedence over the.
Well, I mean, if you really got this question, first of all, okay, I can tell you exam is not going to like this, okay? Because it's too complicated, number one.
I'm just
Number two,
curious.
if you ask me about the curious, then we should write a program, we can try out. But basic rules still do not change. Yes, the Java will consider the left-hand side first,
So
proceed this way. Yeah. Yeah?
Yeah,
That
like that.
should be in this way.
okay.
But we can use the program to confirm. Okay, that's the Java rule. The C is going to call which one?
Function two.
No.
Function
one
one.
and function two.
No, it's left to right.
It's still left to right.
That's always been left to
Right.
right.
Then you need to call its function first. But if you want to
Just
both,
goes to function.
that's why Spargo. That's why I say it's too complicated.
Okay.
Because you say function two, I say function one.
Okay.
Well, I mean, basically, the textbook say you're going to call the function
So,
first. We can write program, but
so
obviously,
like this.
that's what I guess. But again, exam, we are not going to have these.
Okay.
We only have simple things to work, okay?
Yeah.
All right, any others? No questions?
So
No questions? Yes.
Can you do E on that one as well?
E?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me copy the answer first. E is here. A greater than B. A greater than B. Exclusive or. Whoa. Somebody's angry? C